Hello everyone, I'm Leo and welcome to my car cleaning business. Here we have a 2014 Honda Odyssey. It's my mom's car, but it hasn't had a big cleanup in years. As you can see, I use many methods to keep your car squeaky clean. First, vacuuming. Also, steam cleaning. I also use a power brush on those tough to get to carpet stains. Also, I will detail clean your dash and your interior car surfaces. Nothing beats sucking up all that dirt out of those seats. And of course I blast the dirt out of those mats. Also, I take special care of dash screens and the instrument panel, only using soft, edgeless microfiber cloths to avoid scratching anything. Look at that.
Ugh. Oh, it's so satisfying. Let's go on.
And just look at those results. My mom's Honda is squeaky clean and it smells nice and fresh. So please hire me for your auto cleaning needs. And don't forget to ask my mom about my special introductory rates. Thank you.